Welcome back to the second FAFO Friday, and today we're going to answer the question that literally no one has asked me. What happens when you shoot a FAFO slug into a frozen turkey? Let's see. Don't forget to head to ballisticmachinist.com and sign up for our newsletter to make sure that you stay up to date on all the newest releases. And don't forget, always shoot cool shit. Alright, well, we got a FAFO slug loaded up here in the rifled barrel bolt action 12 gauge. And we're going to shoot the turkey and see if it makes it all the way through it. So let's go. Alright, let's go check it out. Alright, here we are at our turkey, and you can see it's got a heck of a hole in it, but it did not make it all the way through a 13-pound frozen turkey. Still did a heck of a number though. I got another bonus shot I want to try just out of curiosity. Well, the steel FAFO slug did not make it all the way through the 13-pound frozen turkey, but it did seem to work pretty good out of the rifle barrel. But we're going to answer another question that literally no one's asked me, and that's what happens when you shoot a frozen turkey with an M855A1 armor-piercing round. These are not stuff that I make or sell, but I'll roll a picture in here so you can see what they are. Let's see what it does to the turkey. Alright, let's go see what it did. Well, here we are down at the turkey, and you can see just a little bitty split where the M855A1 went in. But you can see that it blew a bunch of meat out the back side of the frozen turkey. It went a little bit above the wound cavity that we did with the FAFO slug. And it hit hard enough to blow the meat and take a chunk out of this cinder block. So we fucked around and found out that a frozen 13-pound turkey is not good body armor. So make sure that you always shoot cool shit and go check out our webpage. Well, we still have some turkey left over here, so we're going to do a bonus shot with the FAFO slug and see what it does with the second round. Let's go check that out. Well, our bonus shot made it through more of the turkey. We got our entrance right here. And then we got the slug that we caught right there, if you can see it. And it stopped in the turkey, but it hit the block enough to break this cinder block. And you can see right there where we hit. Pretty cool for a bonus shot.